Chapter 27. Transformation of sentences. Why do we need transformation of sentences? The conversion or transformation of sentences is an excellent exercise as it teaches variety of expression in writing English. The transformation of sentences consists in changing a sentence from one form to another without any change in meaning. Interrogative to assertive sentences. In some special types of interrogates, when the question is affirmative, a negative answer is implied. And when the question is negative, an affirmative answer is implied. Hence, an interrogative sentence is often changed into an assertive sentence and vice versa by affirmation or negation. Interrogative. What is the use of the statue? Assertive. There is no use of the statue. Interrogative. When can their glory fade? Or can their glory ever fade? Assertive. Their glory can never fade. Interrogative. Is he not a great fool? Assertive. He is a great fool. Assertive to interrogative sentences. Assertive. Man cannot die better than facing fearful odds. Interrogative. How can man die better than facing fearful odds? Assertive. We bleed if you prick us. Interrogative. If you prick us, do we not bleed? Assertive. It does not matter if I fail. Interrogative. What does it matter if I fail? Exclamatory to assertive sentences. In course of change from exclamatory to assertive sentences, very is usually used before an adjective and great before a noun. Moreover, it can be changed by using the verb wish, exclaim in wonder, etc. Exclamatory. What a fool you are. Assertive. You are a great fool. Here, fool is used as a noun. Exclamatory. How beautiful the night is. Assertive. The night is very beautiful. Exclamatory. How sweet the moonlight sleeps upon this bank. Assertive. The moonlight sleeps very sweetly upon this bank. Exclamatory. Oh, that I were young again. Assertive. I wish that I were young again. Exclamatory. What a nice bird it is. Assertive. We exclaim in wonder that it is a very nice bird. Affirmative to negative sentences. A negative sentence is often formed by changing an assertive sentence into an interrogative or vice versa. Moreover, a negative form can be made by using opposite words such as none but, for only, never, for ever, good, for bad, etc., or by changing the degree of comparison, or by using a clause, it is not that, etc. Affirmative. He is a great fool. Negative. Is he not a great fool? Affirmative. Only a rogue can act thus. Negative. None but a rogue can act thus. Affirmative. The brave alone deserve the fair. Negative. None but the brave deserve or deserves the fair. Affirmative. Can I ever forget you? Negative. I can never forget you. Affirmative. He always minds his lesson. Negative. He never neglects his lesson. Note, none is a shortened form of not one, yet it is commonly used with plural verbs. Interchange of degrees of comparison. As the following examples show, it is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. Positive: I am as brave as he. Comparative: he is not braver than I am. Am is implied over here. Positive: he is as intimate to me as to you. Comparative: he is not more intimate to you than to me. Positive: there is no mystery so great as misery. Comparative: misery is greater than any other mystery. Superlative: misery is the greatest mystery of all. Superlative: Everest is the highest peak of the world. Positive: no other peak of the world is as high as Everest. Comparative: Everest is higher than any other peak of the world. Superlative: he is the best boy in the class. Comparative: he is better than any other boy, means all other boys, in the class. Positive: no other boy in the class is as good as he. Superlative: iron is the most useful of all metals. Comparative: iron is more useful than any other metal. Positive: no other metal is as useful as iron. Adverb to or joining by to. 1. He is so honest that he will not accept a bribe. Use to in sense of not. He is too honest to accept a bribe. Means he is very honest. He will not accept a bribe. 2. I am so tired that I cannot walk. I am too tired to walk. Means I am very tired. I cannot walk. 3. The news is so good that it cannot be true. The news is too good to be true. Means the news is too much good. It cannot be true. 4. She is so proud that she cannot learn. She is too proud to learn. Means she is very proud. She cannot learn. 5. She is too clever not to see through your tricks. Special use of both to and not to. She is so clever that she will see through your tricks. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.